If you are just getting started as a web designer, picking a right niche can make all the difference. If you pick a right niche, it can help you find client faster, build up your portfolio quickly, and stand out from the crowd. But how do you actually pick a right niche? Especially if you are a complete beginner, you are just getting started, you don't really know much. So how do you pick a right niche? I will tell you what I did when I got started. I started web design in 2019 and I started with very limited knowledge and experience. I created only a few handful of websites when I got started, and it became close to impossible for me to find client because at the time I was a beginner, so I don't have any previous client that I can show. I don't have any previous client testimonials. I started on freelancing platform, and on those freelancing platforms, I had no metrics to show that I know what I was doing. And on top of that, there is just way too much competition. Whenever someone posts a project, if they are looking to hire a website designer, as soon as I look at the job posting, within 1 or 2 hours, I will see anywhere between 50 to 100 proposals. And among those proposals, there are a lot of professionals. And that made it close to impossible for me to stand out. And I never found a client and started growing until I did one little thing. I made one little change. And what I noticed is, since there is just too much competition in website design, what if I choose something that is more specific without too much attention to it? And I started offering WordPress landing page design instead of WordPress website design. The people who need a WordPress website, they need a whole package. You have to create several pages for them. You have to install WordPress. You have to install and set up some plugins. So it's a whole package. But people who are looking for a landing page designer, they already have their own website. Maybe they create a new offer and they want to promote it. So they need a landing page or a sales page to promote the offer. Maybe they have an online coaching program and they are doing some kind of promotion and they want to create a landing page. So they hire someone to build that specific landing page for them. So the people who need landing page design, in my experience, especially on those platforms, they are not willing to pay as much as people who are looking for a complete website design because it's not as much work. And because most people, when they start offering their services, they start offering their services as a website designer. So when I started offering my services as a landing page designer, the competition became very, very low because within 1 or 2 hours, I will see anywhere between 50 to 100 proposals if someone is looking for a website designer. But if someone is looking for a landing page designer, I will see around 10 to 20 proposals. So you see, the level of competition is not that extreme. And another thing that helped me is when I figured I need to have some proof that will prove to the potential client I can do the work for them, I started going to websites like behance.net. I find samples, I find landing pages that look good, and I try to copy the landing page and build it on my own personal website. So when I am sending a proposal, I include links to those pages that I built on my own website. So even though I'm a beginner, even though I don't have any metrics on the freelancing platform, when you read my proposal, you see the links to the landing page that I created. You click a link and you see the landing page is built on my own website. My website, sadiqumar.com. You know I built the landing page. So you know I have the skills to do that landing page. And for that reason, there is not that many competition, and I proved to the potential client I can do the work for them. That helped me find my first client, my second client, and started building my career. And eventually, I started offering WordPress website design package because I built up my portfolio. I have some previous client testimonials, so I get to the level where I can compete with people who are offering WordPress website design. And that is what I will advise anyone to do. If you are just getting started in website design, offering just website design or just WordPress website design, there is going to be way too much competition. But if you pick something specific, a specific area, and you start offering your services, that is going to help you a lot. My advice for you is pick something you can learn. You can offer WordPress landing page design just like that. You can pick a WordPress page builder. Maybe you will say you are only working with Elementor Page Builder, or maybe you are working with Divi Builder or any other page builder. You can pick one thing and be specific expert on it. You see, if I have a website and I build the website maybe on WordPress with Breezy Builder, and I want a landing page, so I search maybe, let's say, on Fiverr for a landing page designer, and I found someone who is offering landing page design with Breezy Page Builder, I will be 100% more interested in talking to that person compared to someone who is only offering landing page design or someone who is offering website design entirely, because this person is offering exactly what I need. So pick something you can learn. If you have access to maybe online course platforms like Kajabi, if you can learn how to use Kajabi Builder, you can offer landing page design services for Kajabi course creators. So this is going to help you separate yourself and be specific, so that when someone is looking to hire an expert in that specific thing, you are going to be their go-to person. And one thing that can really help you is creating samples. Whatever you choose to offer, if you choose to offer general landing page design using a specific page builder, make sure you learn how to use that page builder. Make sure you create some samples so that you can show to your potential client this is what you can do for them. If you choose a platform like a course creation platform like Kajabi or something like Newsella, make sure you set up a free account. You learn how to use the page builder on that specific platform so that you can offer your services to people who are using that specific platform. Doing this is going to really help you a lot. But if you just started offering WordPress website design, general website design, it is really going to be difficult because the competition is extreme. And if you are new to all this and you want to learn more about some of the tools that are going to help you be more efficient as a website designer, you can check out this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.